Dear brothers and sisters, things do not go according to our plan. Every one of us, without a single expectation, would have faced things in their lives that did not go according to the way they wanted it to go there. No expectation. It's a challenge. Nobody can say anything in my life happened exactly per my plan. Never, not 1%. It goes to show you are weak. You can plan. Allah has a bigger planner. Allah has a better plan. Allah knows what's good for you. He knows what's bad for you. Sometimes He plans for something you think it is very bad for you. But if you go back to the manuscript in order to know how to look at it, it will be most positive thing that ever happened in your life. Subhanallah. I give you an example. A person rarely and desperately at work is looking for a promotion desperately. I want a promotion, I want to get promoted. They are not promoted. In fact, they are fired. We don't want you anymore, and you started crying. Shocked, you have a few days of dealing with the news. You wanted an increment. Shocked, you have a few days of dealing with the news. You wanted an increment. You wanted a promotion. You needed the money. You had to look after your family and so on. You were planning to buy a car or a house. You were planning perhaps to get married or to assist a family member in getting married. And what happened? Not only did you not get the promotion, but your boss called you and told you, you know what, you have 1 month of notice, and after that we don't need you anymore. And you are like, just like what? One way is to become depressed, to become sad, to go back home, to sleep and never wanting to get up again. One way of dealing with it. And you are so sad, you cry every day, morning, evening and night. You don't want to talk to anyone, you don't feel like eating, and you get sick. Is that a believer? Is that what Allah taught you? When Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the one, He is the planner, He is the planner. You tried, and Allah is the one who overrules your trials and your plans. He knows what's better you want. Allah wants, and Allah is the one who does what He wants. Subhanallah. So now you are upset, and what happens as a result? Everything come to a standstill. Your life is at a standstill. If you are married, your marriage is about to break because you can no longer afford to look after your family members. You began to feel inferior because perhaps your wife might be earning more than you. You begin to become so sick that you suffer insomnia. You cannot sleep at nights, and so on. One way of dealing with it. Or if you are a true believer, say Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah for everything.